Want to make money with IPTV without buying inventory, handling customers, or investing any money upfront? Go to extremediscount.net and click Affiliate Program. In just a few minutes, you can get your own affiliate link and start earning recurring 20% commission simply by sharing it. Getting started is fast and completely free. To create your Extreme Discount account, all you need is an email address and a password. That's it. Your name, address, phone number, and the rest of the information on this page are completely optional. Enter your email, choose a secure password, agree to the terms, and complete the registration. There are no sign-up fees, no monthly charges, and no products you need to purchase. You don't need a website, technical experience, or an existing business. Once your account is created, you'll immediately be able to activate your affiliate panel and receive your own unique referral link. Click Affiliate, then select Activate Affiliate Panel. Your professional affiliate dashboard tracks your clicks, signups, conversions, referrals, and commission owed. When someone clicks your link and purchases within 90 days, you earn 20% of their first payment, plus 20% of every future payment they make for life. We handle customer service, setup, troubleshooting, and renewals. Your only job is to share your link. Now let's show you why this affiliate program is so easy to promote. Extreme Discount provides Xtreme HD IPTV, one of the leading IPTV services available for more than 10 years. The service includes more than 26,000 live television channels, over 150,000 movies, and more than 35,000 television series. Customers can also watch major sports packages, including NFL Sunday Ticket, NBA League Pass, MLB Extra Innings, NHL Center Ice, UFC, boxing, pay-per-view events, international soccer, and many more. Instead of asking people to purchase a service they have never tested, you can send them to extremediscount.net to request an instant free 36-hour trial. The trial is delivered automatically, allowing customers to experience the channels, movies, television series, sports, picture quality, and overall reliability before spending any money. We offer free trials because the service speaks for itself. When someone requests a trial through your referral link, that person appears as one of your affiliate signups. Once that customer is connected to your affiliate account, you receive 20% commission when they purchase, along with 20% of their renewals, upgrades, additional packages, and future spending. Even when a trial customer waits longer before purchasing, the sign-up remains connected to your affiliate account according to the program's referral tracking. You do not need to create their IPTV account, install applications, answer technical questions, or provide customer support. Extreme Discount handles everything. We provide 24-hour live chat 7 days a week to help customers with trials, purchases, payments, setup, troubleshooting, renewals, and general support. You can share your referral link through text messages, social media, YouTube descriptions, websites, blogs, online advertisements, or directly with friends and family. Once the link has been shared, there is virtually no ongoing work required. There is no financial investment, no inventory to purchase, and no risk of losing money. Top-performing affiliates may also be invited into our reseller program. As a reseller, you can purchase IPTV credits in bulk at a better rate, earn larger profit margins, and operate your own independent IPTV business. Resellers take control of creating customer accounts, processing renewals, providing support, and managing their own customers. The affiliate program is the easiest way to begin. Learn how the business works and prove that you can generate sales without making an upfront investment.